Hello, I'm Nicole Jasmine Reyes and I will be performing the transfer technique from bed to wheelchair. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to get the transfer order or transfer slip from the physician so that we can move our patient. Because without it, we cannot do this. So the second thing that we are going to do is to check our materials. The materials we have is three: the footstool, the safety belt, and the wheelchair. And after that, we are going to introduce ourselves or build rapport to our patient and do the biosocial care. And then, hello ma'am, I am Nicole Jasmine Reyes and I will be your nurse assigned para sa imuang transfer technique, which means ibutang na kanin sa bed mo, i-transfer ka sa wheelchair para sa imuang laboratory examination. Is that okay with you, ma'am? Did you already poke, ma'am? Hihi na ka, ma'am? Bitawan, ma'am. Have you already eaten? And then, after that, we are going to explain what we're going to do. Since we've already explained what we're going to do towards the patient, the next thing that we are going to do is to put the wheelchair on a 45-degree angle towards the head of the bed on the unaffected side of the patient, and then lock it so that the wheelchair will not move. And then, after that, we are going to put the side rails down. Once we do that, we are going to remove the top sheet of the patient and do it in a fan fold motion. And then, after that, we are going to put the patient's affected hand towards their abdomen and unaffected hand and their abdomen. And then we're going to flex their knee, both of it. And then after that, we are going to put the patient in an upright position, sitting in the bed. So, ma'am, we're going to maglingkod ta, ma'am. Ha? So, can you help me? At the count of three, up ta ha? Sige, 1, 2, 3, up! Make sure after this that we rest the patient for 2 minutes because they may feel dizzy or a bit of nausea since due to the sudden shift in position. After those 2 minutes, we are going to put our patient in a dangling position after they are rested. So, since they're put their unaffected hand on your shoulder and then your hand below their knees, and then help them in a dangling position, which is on the side of the bed. So, at the count of 3, ma'am, mo face na diri sa ako, ma'am, ha? Sige, 1, 2, 3. And then, once they are in the dangling position, you get the safety belt and put it around their waist. Yeah, yes, nabali ha. Ma'am, ibutan lang po sa imong waist, ha? Put your arm. And then adjust the safety belt so that it would be not too loose or not too tight to them. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Not too tight? Then after that, we are going to put our leg forward. This leg will be stepped on by the affected side of the patient's foot. And then forward here so that you won't lose balance. And then after that, you put the affected side. And then we are going to explain that we are going to stand up at the count of 3. Ma'am, at the count of 3, we're going to stand up. Is that? And then you're gonna put your foot on. You're gonna put your affected foot in my foot. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, stand. Okay. And then after that, we move the patient in a pivoting motion towards the wheelchair. Okay, ma'am, move na ha. Put ito sa wheelchair. Sige, 1, 2, 3. And after that, we are going to assist our patient to sit on the wheelchair. And then after that, we are going to remove the safety belt and then put the unaffected side of the unaffected hand of the patient on the wheel, on the rail of the wheelchair. And then put the feet on. The patient is on the wheelchair. We're going to put the side rails up and then do aftercare, such as arranging the bed and cleaning up. And then put the patient towards where they are supposed to go. The next thing that we're going to do is a transfer technique from wheelchair to bed. Now it's like the first one, but the procedure are reversed. So the first thing that we're going to do is to lock the wheelchair so that preventing it from moving and causing injuries towards the patient. So, and the second one is to put the side rails down. After that, you get your safety belt and put it around the waist of the patient. Ma'am, ipang natin sa inyong waist, ma'am. And then, after doing that, we're going to put their unaffected hand to your shoulder and then assist them in standing up in a count of 3. Ma'am, can you put your feet, affected feet on my feet, and then on the count of 3, we're going to stand up. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, ma'am. And then move them in a pivoting motion, just like before. So, ma'am, sige, pivot na, ma'am. Okay. Then, after that, we are going to assist our patient to sit on the bed. Ma'am, sit down. Sige, 1, 2, 3. And then you assess. Ma'am, you don't feel dizzy, ma'am, no? Okay. And then after that, you are going to take off the safety belt. And then, after that, we're going to put their hand on your shoulder again, and then help them to sit on the bed. Sige. 1, ma'am, at the count of 3, moon sa tao into sitting position katulad yung ganina, ha? Sige, 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we're going to adjust if needed. And then after that, we're going to help the patient to lie down on the bed. Okay, ma'am. 1, mag-lie na ito, ma'am. Okay. And then after that, you help the patient in a comfortable position and then put the top sheet on top of them. After that, you put the side rails up. After that, you do aftercare. And that's all.